Okay, so I have had an issue with my background noise. As you can hear right now, there's still a bit of like background noise from like my computer. I haven't really set it up to optimize that audio sound. And even if you did optimize it, you might still have problems. So to fix this, you go to your filters here. If you didn't see that, you go to filters for your microphone and you add an expander and turn that up to like 3 or above. All right, the higher you turn it up, the less you're gonna hear like background noise and probably your own voice. But link in the description to the video I found that helped me with this problem, and it's also helped me set up my mic so it can sound much better than it did before. If you're having any other problems, you can let me know in the comments. I might have already figured out how to fix it, do it, whatever. And yeah, I love you. Bye. That's it. I don't know how to end the video.